Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been a while. I made a best out of waste video. So this time I made 4 best out of waste DIYs. The very first one is a wall decor. I made this wall decor using drinking straws. Those plastic drinking straws, and I sprayed silver spray paint on it, or if you have metallic paints then you can also use those paints. That would be a good option as well. Also, I'll link the spray paint in the description, so if you want then you can go and check it out. Coming on to the second DIY, it's again a wall hanging craft. I made it using pistachio shells. I painted on the shells with red and green paint. And I used hot glue gun for pasting them. If you have like strong glue, you can also use that as well. And I pasted them together with hot glue. And yes, coming on to the third DIY, it's a desk organizer which I made using straws. Again, I used drinking straws, those plastic straws, for making this craft. Well, you can make it with newspaper as well, but what you have to do is you have to cut the newspapers in the same size, and then you have to roll the newspapers, and then you can use them as straws. You have to follow the steps which I did with straws. This may be a time consuming task if you make it with newspaper. Coming on to the fourth and the last DIY for this video, it's a Spongebob pen stand. Let's get started.